Righty, let's look at 4.2. So in the figure below, you have ABC is a straight line, and they're telling us that ABD, so ABD, now do you see the cap in the middle on B? It's referring to angle B, which would be this one, is 90 degrees. Then CBE, which is 20 degrees, so we're gonna copy who B. So angle B would be this angle, this and that, but then you have to be very specific, wabo. And also another angle B, which is 2x. So now this is what they gave us. Now the question says find the angle, the value of angle DBE, meaning they want, it's like they want you to solve for x. I don't know why they asked it in that way, but they want us to find the value of x in this case, right? So there are two ways in which you can solve for x in this case, right? You have ABC as a straight line. You can use your angles that are lying adjacent to each other on a straight line to solve for x, or you can use complementary angles. Now what do I mean by complementary angles? So complementary angles, they add up to 90 degrees. So if they add up to 90 degrees and they already gave us that this is 90 degrees, we can assume that this part is also going to be 90 degrees, because angles that are lying on a straight line must be equal to 180 degrees. So we can either do it this way, where we have 90 degrees, which is this angle, plus 2x plus 20 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, and we can use the angle of the reason of adjacent angles on a straight line, or angles on a straight line. It's fine with me, angles on a straight line or adjacent angles on a straight line. Now the reason why I'm saying adjacent angles on a straight line is because these angles are next to each other on a straight line, hence they're called adjacent angles on a straight line. All right, to solve this, we have to transpose to the other side. So we have minus 90 minus 20 degrees. Then we have 2x this side, because we're solving for x. You cannot transpose the 2. The 2 is multiplied to the x. So how long got 2 in a second? No, so we're going to say 180 minus 90 minus 20. And when we subtract that, hey, boo, hey, boo, hey. Yes, so we're getting 70 degrees. So we have 70 degrees equal to 2x. Now, this is where we get rid of the 2 that's multiplied to the x by dividing it on both sides. So x is equal to 35. Yes, x is equal to 35 degrees. That's how you can solve for x using this.